Hello friends, I'm going to show you how to install our product shorten URL with advertisement. It's quite easy. First you have to download it from Code Canyon. After that you have to upload it to your cPanel or your desired hosting panel. I have already uploaded this one here. Before uploading I'm going to show you where to put it and how to put it. Let's say if you definitely I have to add your the domain where I will see the script or your software. I'm going to put this script under test.xcoder.io. You see a slash public. It's mandatory when you will create a domain. Make sure that you put extra public folder. You see, you have to do this like this way. Don't forget to put a extra public as a document root. Well, now my domain is created and the directory is test.xcoder.io/public. Now I'm visit test.xcoder.io as a file system from file system. Now I have already uploaded that script here, and I'm going to extract here. It's extracting. By this time you'll first create a database and make sure you preserve the username and password. When it will upload, then you have to make sure that you have enough permission to your public folder. You have to visit text.xcoder.io, and I mean your domain, then public folder. And you see in the index page there is a 0777 permission. You have to change this one. I'm going to do it 0755. It's done. Now if I visit the domain xcoder test.xcoder.io, I'll see this screen. Oh, this screen appeared because of there's some problem. And definitely if you see your cPanel's log, you'll see why this is happening. 500 error means it's server error. I have to make sure that the public folder as a folder, it cannot be 0777 permission. Yeah, it has to be 755 permission. Now it's done. If I refresh, you see the problem has gone. Now everything is green button. If you see any red button, then you have to install that exact PHP extension to your server. If you see any red button here, then you have to keep write permission, means 0777 permission to that specific folder. But I do not need the special permission because of it's already writable permission. Now I have to put the database name and username password. I already created a database. It's called xcoder_sh. The username is same and the password is this one. Now if I click the install button, it will install in a minute. It might take several seconds depending on your server's performance. Now it's done. Wow, pretty good. It's cool, right? Yeah, it's propagating. My internet is slow. Whatever. It's done. Now you can start. Now you can start your testing. Let's say I want to short this URL. Just I'll click shorten. It will happen in a second, but for my machine it's quite slow. That's why you are getting slow. I have copied that one. Now you see it's working perfectly. Yeah, you see there is a ads. These are the default advertisement. You can change this advertisement by logged in. The first registration will be the admin user. So I'm going to register to become a admin user. I'm going to click on sign up. It's coder support at Xcoder apps. I'm going to put a password. Right. The registration done. This one is the dashboard. Uh, all settings are beneath under the advertisement menu. You see the home top. There is a description here. This it means that you have to active at least on button, either this one or either that one. Let's say you have some Google AdSense, you can put that AdSense here. The script, put your Google AdSense AdSense here, then just submit and it will be. Definitely you have to active this one. Now the above one is the active. Because of every ad we can use either a image ad or a scripting ad. So each time when you put some script, you have to make sure after putting that script you have to click on active. Otherwise the default image will be appeared when user will see the advertisement. Well, that's it. If you face any kind of problem, just purchase the shorten URL with advertisement, the product first, and then click on support menu. If you click on support menu, you can contact with us easily. Listen, we will not reply you or will not help you unless you create a support ticket. If you want to get any help from us, definitely you have to click on support and contact with us. Thank you so much, and if you face any kind of problem, any kind of suggestion, then just write us few words using this form. Thank you so much.